Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy list by Central Warehousing Corporation. So let's start the video. Friends, Central Warehousing Corporation is a Navratna company under administrative control of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. So they have released the couple of vacancies in different domains. And friends, we have already informed about this vacancy in our weekly jobs update. So it's just a detailed video for this vacancy. Last date is still left. So if you are eligible, you can apply for it. So at serial number 3, there is a vacancy for accountant. There are total 9 vacancies, out of which 1 vacancy is for unreserved category candidate and 1 vacancy is for EWS category candidate. Rest are all for reserved category candidate. Like for SC, 4 vacancies are there. For ST category candidate, 1 vacancy, and for OBC, 2 vacancies are there, out of which 1 vacancy is for PWBD category candidate. Here the pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. It's a even grade vacancy and age limit is 30 years. That is, candidate should not have been born earlier than 13th January 1995 and should not be born later than 12th January 2007. Both days are inclusive. So if you are born on this date, you are eligible. Then there is another vacancy for Superintendent General. Here there are total 22 vacancies, out of which 13 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate. Rest are all for reserved category candidate. The pay scale is also same as that of accountant, that is 40,000 to 1,40,000. Again, it's a even grade vacancy and upper age limit is also 30 years, same as that of accountant level. Then rest other vacancies are not useful for finance related candidates. And there is a special recruitment drive. It's only for the northeast region. So here the post is Superintendent General. There are total 2 vacancies for unreserved category candidate. Pay scale is same, that is 40,000 to 1,40,000, even grade vacancy, and 30 years is the upper age limit. So do keep this in mind. This special recruitment drive Superintendent General is only for the northeast region. Here the selection process is mentioned before other details. So a selection process for accountant and Superintendent General will be through online test followed by document verification and interview. So it's a 2-stage process. First there will be online test and then there will be interview. Tentative dates are also mentioned. So friends, your online registration is already started from 14th December and last date is 12th January 2025, and your online exam date and all other details will be intimated and the admit card will be released 10 days before examination. Now let's talk about the eligibility and qualification requirement. So friends, for accountant, qualification asked is either a BCom or a BA Commerce or a Chartered Accountant or a Cost Management Accountant or SAS Accountant of Indian Audit and Accounts Department with about 3 years of experience in maintaining and auditing of accounts in industrial, commercial or departmental undertaking. And friends, here you need to have 3 years of experience. So for BCom, BA, Chartered Accountant, CMA, SAS, all needs 3 years of experience. And for Superintendent General, they are asking postgraduate degree in any discipline from recognized university. So if you are a postgraduate, then you are eligible and no experience is asked for Superintendent General. Here the grade, pay package, everything is same. That is for accountant as well as for Superintendent General. And again, if you are applying for Superintendent General Northeast region, then also postgraduate degree in any discipline is required and no prior experience asked. Candidate appearing in the final year or final semester are not eligible to apply. You need to be a postgraduate, then only eligible. And for the post of accountant, the experience of about 3 years shall be treated as minimum 3 years experience as on the last date of advertisement. So at least 3 years of experience is required. If you are having a more experience, then that is well and good, you are eligible. But here your articleship experience will not be counted. So do keep this in mind. Will not be and never counted. Then there are age relaxation for reserved category candidate. You can check them. As I already mentioned, that age relaxation and the cutoff date for age and qualification experience is 12th January 2025. That is the last date of receipt of application. Now let's talk about the online exam pattern. So friends, for accountant post, your exam will have 5 parts. First will be professional or subject knowledge, that is basically technical syllabus. 60 questions will be asked and maximum marks will be 60. It will be in the both language, Hindi as well as in English, and time allotted is 55 minutes. Friends, each section has a separate timing, so that's really good. So for professional knowledge, 55 minutes will be provided and 60 questions will be asked. Then your second part will have general awareness questions. 40 questions will be asked, 40 marks and 20 minutes will be provided. And then there will be third part belongs to English language. Here again 40 questions will be asked, 40 questions and 40 marks will be allotted and 25 minutes will be provided. Then fourth part is related to reasoning and computer aptitude, and fifth part related to data analysis and data interpretation. So basically quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability will be tested in the 4 and 5. Here 30 questions will be asked from both these parts and 30 marks from each sections will be there and 25 minutes will be provided to you. So like this, total 200 questions will be asked and total marks will be 200. 2.5 hours will be provided to answer all these questions. Then for Superintendent General, since here the qualification asked is just postgraduate from any discipline, so your exam pattern will have the general questions and not from technical or specific field related questions. So here only 4 parts. Basically non-technical syllabus is there. First part is reasoning and computer aptitude, then English language, DI and quantity aptitude, and then fourth part is general awareness. So 60 questions from the reasoning, 40 questions from English, 60 questions from DI and quantity aptitude, and 40 questions from general awareness. So like this 200 questions will be asked and total marks will be 200. So each question will have 1 marks, and here also 2.5 hours will be provided. So if you are preparing for non-technical syllabus and having a postgraduate degree, apply for Superintendent General. Chances of your selection is more. And if you are preparing for finance related examination and having a professional knowledge also and experience, then apply for accountant. And tentative syllabus is also mentioned, so that's really a good thing. So for syllabus for accountant is mentioned. Here you will be asked questions from financial accounting. 30 questions will be there, and the financial accounting will cover your Ind-AS questions, then accounting process and gap, accounting for income, expense and assets and liabilities, then bank reconciliation statement, rectifications questions, cash flow statement, preparation of company final account, then banking operation transactions accounting, payroll accounting, then nature and functions of cost accounting and method of cost control and cost reduction. So basically accounts plus little bit of costing questions will be there. Then 15 questions will be from income tax. So basic income tax concepts and various provisions of Income Tax Act, salient feature and provisions related to GST. So all the basic concept questions will be covered here. Then auditing 50 questions will be there. Then auditing concepts, company audit, audit report and audit certificates, ledger scrutiny, internal controls. So 15 questions from auditing will be asked like this. And each wrong question will have a negative marking of to the extent of 1/4. An exam center is mentioned by them in detail. So almost entire country is covered by them. All major cities are covered. Now they have mentioned the cutoff score. So friends, here they will call for interview round in the ratio of 1:5. That is, for one post 5 candidate will be called for, and a candidate need to score at least 60% to be eligible for the next round. So here the cutoff requirement is 60%, and interview will be conducted at Delhi at their head office. Application fee. Friends, application fee is rupees 1,350, and for SC, ST, PWBD category candidate, rupees 500 is the application fee. And how to apply? You have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company. All details are mentioned, including the step-by-step process. You can check this notification and apply accordingly. So friends, if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then do apply for these vacancies. You will get a good exposure plus the good package and working in a government organization or government company. Here the last date of making application is 12th January 2025. So almost 10 days are left. So apply for this vacancy if you haven't applied yet. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.